Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Icloud with your Apple ID. This authenticates you across devices. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone or go to Icloud. Com in a browser and enter credentials. Make sure you enable iCloud syncing for at least photos or iCloud Drive so content appears. You're doing this now so you can inspect stored data. Don't skip verifying your account recovery email or two-factor authentication prompts, because those let you access everything securely. Once signed in, go through the major categories. Photos shows synced images and videos. iCloud Drive lists documents and folders. Contacts, calendars, and notes each reveal synced entries. If you're on a browser, iCloud. Com provides a unified view where you can preview files without downloading. Make sure to navigate to settings your name iCloud on iPhone to see which apps upload data, and tap Manage Storage to learn what's consuming space, so you can prioritize what to review or download. Finish by downloading the items you need. Click Download on iCloud. Com or use the Files app on iPhone to copy files locally. To free space or tidy content, visit Manage Storage and remove unneeded backups, large attachments, or app data. Make sure you know what a backup contains before deleting. If something doesn't appear, sign out and sign back in, confirm two-factor authentication, and check your internet connection. These quick fixes resolve most sync or visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.